Well, how's it going today? We're gonna go out and we're gonna do some bird calls right there. I'm gonna show you how to talk to some birds right here. Now you can never be too prepared either. Just in case see a big old grizzly out there, or a big old black bear or something, or a brown bear. Got or a white bear too. There's polar bears too. I don't know if they'll be around this area right here, but bring a handy dandy pocket knife just in case you see a bear. Always got to be prepared right there. Now you don't want to be too loud. Alright, we're out here in the bush right now. And I'll bet you something right here will be able to catch a bird with our bare hands. After calling them in so goddamn close right there. But anyways, I'm gonna do about 3 different bird calls right here today. So we're gonna try to call in a little turkey there. Something like that. Now you're gonna want it to be real quiet. Did you hear them? Did you hear them call back right there? No birds on that one. Think we might call in a hawk or something like that right there. Nothing. Might call in one of them futuristic birds right there. Nothing. Nothing on that one either. Hey, Hatchie. You mind keeping it down? You're gonna scare all the goddamn birds away right there, Batch. Might call in one of them bird fishes right there. No, what? I don't think there's really any goddamn birds out here in the bush today right there.